Alpha Heavy. Riverjet 275, Canada Gown, runway 4 left, taxi left Quebec and hold short of November. Riverjet 275, affirmative, confirm the runway assignment.
Car JetBlue 736, just outside Zero for the ILS 4 right.
JetBlue 736, Kennedy Tower, you're following 787, 7 miles ahead, caution wake turbulence, runway 4 right, clear to land.
Brickyard
5859, cross runway 13 right on Kilo, then monitor tower 123.9.
Cross 13 right on Kilo, then monitored 1T39, Brickyard 58.
So the 9768, left turn Foxtrot, hold short of runway